Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, hello Andy.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, sharing my screen and the recording is already started. Then let's move on to this. Okay. Yesterday we were done with primary key and unique key. Yesterday, day before yesterday, or I think prior to day before yesterday, we were done with the primary key and then unique key. So unique key, what are all the features and the difference between majorly on unique keys, between unique key and primary keys. Unique key allows null values, but however, it allows only one time because unique key will not allow duplicate records, right? And
Yeah.
there is more than one uh, key can be defined on as a unique key at a table level. Okay. And unique key can be defined on the combination of columns also, kind of composite unique key, right?
Okay.
Okay. So these were all the differences of unique key. But the problem is indexing cannot be created on unique key, only for primary keys should exist. So if it is unique and not null also, we can create unique key on a not null as well as we can create it in a null case also that we had seen, right? Yesterday,
Yeah.
the combination we just tested, then unique and not null is also there, where it doesn't allow any null values as well as it doesn't allow any duplicate values. However, indexing cannot be done. Okay. Now let's see about the foreign key relationship. Okay, I think these are all the primary key that we have done and we have seen. No, 429, right? Yeah. So what is a foreign key? Yesterday we discussed. So we have decided all these things on unique keys and all. It's a unique constraint. It's primary as well as foreign key, right? What is a foreign key relationship? So yesterday we discussed in detail about the foreign key, that it is referring to the value of the master table. In order to maintain the master-child relationship, we need a foreign key. Okay. The values that exist under the foreign key should refer to any of the values in the master table. Okay. Right.
Okay.
So that is what we thought. We cannot create a foreign key independently, right? Foreign key cannot be created independently. It needs to be maintained referential integrity because we wanted to maintain the data integrity, right? There shouldn't be any records
Yeah.
book report in the salary records where the employee is terminated or resigned or he's no more with the organization, right? So this needs to be avoided. Any doubts, Sandy? And foreign key can be created on a primary key, only on a primary key or on a unique key. And there can be more than one foreign key on a single table. Okay. Now let's see how to create foreign key. So when we are actually deleting the record also, if we are deleting the master record, what do we mean by delete on cascade? So with the foreign key, what would happen is it ensures that if any of the parent record is getting deleted, right? If any of the parent records is getting deleted, it will trigger a notice saying that, you have a dependencies, children are there. So first you need to delete the child and then delete the parent record. Okay, master record. Suppose if any of the parent records are getting deleted, system will throw an error saying that there are dependent records, dependent child records. Okay, need to delete the child record first and then go to the next level, like, the parent to parent and all. Okay. This is how the data integrity will be maintained. So there will not be any orphan records. Suppose, your department number in DEPT table is master table, DEP master is the record that you wanted to delete. Okay. So there is one more employee table where department number exists. This particular department number is dependent on DEP.department number. Okay. This is the master table. DEP.department. So you wanted to directly delete DEP.department number. Suppose I wanted to delete directly 20. Okay. Where the 20 also exists in employee table under department number 20. At the time, it did not throw an error because it already exists. Now I wanted to delete this 20, right? It will not allow me to delete the system, database management system, right? Because there is a referential integrity over there. Okay, there is a foreign key over there. It will not allow me to delete. So you need to delete this record first, and then go with the parent record. Okay.
Okay.
Child record.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I got it. Yeah. I got it.
Right. Then go ahead and delete. So this is how it will maintain the integrity. Okay. Delete the parent later. So once all the child records have been deleted, then only you can delete. If not, you wanted to delete even all the child records also dependent on this parent record, you can use the delete cascade function. Delete on cascade. Okay. So this is to delete the parent record. Delete the parent record along with all child records. What are all the dependent records are there? How many rows are there? It is going to delete all the records along with the parent. This is what a delete on cascade. That is the main motto of referential integrity. Okay.
Okay.
It shouldn't allow any user to delete, update, or to insert some junk data that is not there in the master table. Okay.
Okay.
Now, let's see. Yesterday we thought of creating the foreign key relationship. Where were we? Okay, we thought this is the master table. This is the child table, SRC stud, alter table, drop constraint primary, foreign key of SNO. Then I'm just select star from SRC stud and select star from SRC stud 1. Let's see the data over here. I think yesterday we all did this exercise, right? Let's move on. What are all there? This is stud 1, first one is. So we have more number of records in stud 1 compared to stud table, right? Stud has only 101 and 102. Right now, I wanted to establish a relationship saying that alter table SRC stud 1 add constraint. Okay, sorry, SRC stud only. Add constraint stud 1. No, I think this is S2D. The first one is S2AD1, right? Alter table name is SRC stud 1. Add constraint FK of SNO references SRC stud 1, meaning this stud table is dependent on stud 1 table. Okay, the student number should be there in the student 1 itself. Will it execute this particular statement, Andy? Any doubt?
Yeah, it will.
It will, are we sure?
Alter table student.
Because a primary foreign key should be created. One is we cannot execute this independently. This is a syntactical error that it is giving. Okay.
Yeah, but adi manam adi like stud 1 ki link cheste aitundi.
Correct. But a foreign key should be created either on a unique key or on a primary key. But ikkada manaki stud
unique.
స్టడ్ వచ్చేసి నాకు పెడుతున్నాను. స్టడ్ 1 SNO అన్నది ప్రైమరీ కీయా యూనిక్ కీయా? Stud1 SNO. There is no key.
That one, nothing, no keys.
There is no key. So you cannot
No key.
create.
Yeah. So first we need to create
Yeah, you need to
a
create.
primary key.
Okay. That is why it is giving the error. Okay. There are no primary or
But
keys in the referencing table that match referencing column list in the foreign key relationship. Hence, we can create. So now I wanted to add a primary key constraint or unique key constraint on S2D1, first of all, right? You're
yeah,
getting
yeah,
the point? And the master table,
yeah,
SNO,
yeah.
let's alter the table. But can I create the unique key on student number 1? No, because the data is not in line with the
Not,
unique.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, unique
So we need to
constraint.
change.
So we will have to first of all sort this data, and then we will have to alter and add these values, right? So now
Yeah.
what we need to do? Delete from what are all the tables that I can delete? Delete from SRC stud. What are all the records that I can delete?
SRC stud one, right? Yeah.
Where SNO equal to 103. SNO equal to 103 in the sense 1, 2, 3 records will be gone, but I wanted to delete
Yeah, yeah.
one.
Only one.
Only 103.
Where,
This I wanted to delete, get deleted. Okay. So where SNO equal to 1, 3 and S name in clause you can give if it is multiple operator. S name in null or S name in Jesse.
okay, multiple records can be deleted. Okay.
Right. There is a multiple condition operator. Okay. That one record is deleted.
Oh, one record only. Okay.
Because
Okay. Yeah.
1 second. SNO
Because
equal
the other one is not.
here also I need to give SNO equal to 103. The null value, why it did not get deleted? I think it's not in them. Okay, it is not in and I'm sorry, it is null we need to give. Okay, for nulls it accepts it differently. Okay, then 101, 102. I'll just give, I'm sorry, my bad. Is then even you can do the multiple records with the in condition. But here, because it is null, we need to give it the condition as null only. Is null. Where SNO equal to
SN equal to
103 and S name is null. Okay.
SN is null. Okay.
This is what is this? Now, are there any duplicate records? 101, 102 is
101 David. We
101
can
David is
delete.
there. Now 101 David, how do I delete? What is the condition to
Yes,
delete
same.
101 David? Delete
Same. Where SNO equal to 101 and SNAME equal to David.
Very good. SNO equal to 101. If I'm just leaving SNO equal to 101, then only 2 records gets deleted. But
2 records will be deleted. Yeah.
1 record to be deleted. Then that is okay. David. This has happened. Then I think the data is perfect now. Okay. 101, 102, 103. Just update 102 records. Update SRC stud1 some value. Okay, update SRC set. Its name equal to just saying wait rows something I'm just doing where is the equal to 102. Okay.
Okay.
Now certainly among us these two, it has 1 record extra, the master table, right?
Yeah.
So now I can add a constraint of unique or primary key. Let's add first of all primary key and we'll see, and we'll create a foreign key relationship. Okay.
Okay.
Now this is the data. Now I'm going to add alter table.
table, SRC stud1,
SRC stud1, add constraint,
add constraint, PK1,
primary key
okay, primary key
of
of
SN1.
S number.
You can create even on the multiple tables also, but let's go with the first one. Okay, then we'll see.
Yeah,
Constraint name. That's it, right?
yeah.
Okay. Now if I refresh this stud one, what will happen? The SNMOA has created the primary key. Okay. Now I'm going to execute this particular statement to establish a foreign key relationship on the stud one. Okay. For SRC stud, this table. Okay. Now let
So
me
it is linked with the references, right? Word references.
references to SRC stud one.
SNO, okay.
It is the primary key, right? Stud one is the
Okay.
master table, we thought. ఎక్కడ డౌట్ వచ్చిందండి? సో ఐమ్ సేయింగ్
లేదు అండర్స్టాండ్ అంటే ఆ రెండింటిని లింక్ చేయడానికి రెఫరెన్సెస్ అనే వర్డ్
references అన్నది యూజ్ చేయాలి కంపల్సరీ. ఈవెన్ when we use references also we got an error message because this particular table, whatever the table that it has, this is not having any primary key and or unique key. That is why it just failed. Okay. Now let's execute this. Then it got executed successfully. Right? Now let's refresh this. Columns, you have a foreign key over here. This foreign key is dependent on this primary key. Clear, Andy?
Okay, yeah, sure.
Okay, now how do you ensure that it is a private foreign key? Okay, this got created. You want select star from information underscore schema dot constraints. There are two constraints. One is SRC stud one, which is the primary key, and SRC stud table, it is a foreign key. What are all the what is that? The column names also. The column names, you can find it under the columns one. Right? This is information underscore schema dot table constraints. That constraints got created. You want to go ahead and see. Read number one in SRC stud.
Okay, so ఇక్కడ చూపిద్దాం.
ఇక్కడ కాదు, ఓన్లీ కన్స్ట్రెయింట్స్ లోనే చూపిస్తుంది టేబుల్ నేమ్. ఓకే,
సో ఫారెన్ కీ కూడా యూనిక్ అండ్ నాట్ నల్ ఉంటుంది కదా, సేమ్ లైక్ ప్రైమరీ కీ.
Primary key is also unique plus not null. So as I said,
same like
sorry, foreign key need not be unique and not null. It was already there, we have just altered it. Okay, need not be not null also, foreign key. That also we will do it.
Okay. So
foreign key need not be unique, need not be not null. Okay. This is also kind of tricky. Foreign key, that we will explain you, that I'm going to explain you with examples. Foreign key FK need not be unique, need not be not null. Okay, we'll explain that. Okay, but it is only condition is it should exist in the value should exist in the parent table. Now, what am I going to do to prove this one? Not null అన్నది ఇప్పుడు చెప్పలేను. I cannot tell now because I cannot showcase that. When I'm creating a foreign key on a unique key, then I can show, because it not null will not be accepted under the primary table itself, because your SNO is a primary key, right? Which is a not null value, right? Here we
Yeah.
have already given it as a not null, so it is coming. So if you want to just alter the table, allow null values also, it allows foreign key. Alter table, src underscore stud, alter column. How to give it? A column name is what? SNO int null values. Okay. That is also fine. So foreign key need not be not null and need not be unique also. Okay. Only primary key should be, PK should be not null and should be unique.
Primary key.
So this, let us see how can do with that. Let's insert the statements. Insert into src underscore stud. What are all the values are there in src stud? Let's see. Stud one is master, stud is the parent child. Now what am I trying to? So here, this is a primary key. So it will not allow unique values. But foreign key, it allows null values, because I deliberately changed it from not null. It may not be not null. It allows null value, provided the null should also exist under this master table, right? If not, then it will not allow, because it is a constraint, differential integrity violation. Okay. The master table do not contain this value, but you are trying to insert. And it need not be unique also. So let's try to insert a null value, insert into src underscore stud. What are all the values I wanted to insert? S number, S name. Okay, let me give all. Values. Okay, now I wanted to insert again 101 only, which is a foreign key. And I wanted to insert. That is the reason why, if it is a foreign key, okay, I wanted to insert 101, which is already there in the primary. Yes, name could be different. Okay, need not be unique. It is Jesse 101, Jesse 101, row, David, Thomas. Now will it alone be?
Yeah.
Okay. The reason is foreign key need not be unique.
Unique.
Okay.
Yeah.
All that it should have is the value should exist in the primary table. Now, let me insert one more value. 103. Thomas. Will it allow? Okay, instead of Thomas. 103. Will it allow now? This statement?
Yeah.
It will allow. Awesome.
Yeah.
Because 103 is also part of this. Now, let me try to insert a value outside of this master table. 104. Will it allow now?
No. It shouldn't.
The reason is the master table itself do not contain this value, right?
Yeah.
The conflict
Okay.
occurred in the database master stud1 column SNO do not contain this 104 value. Okay,
Yeah.
get it, Andy, now? Now,
Yeah.
what am I trying to do? Again, although stud values null. Will it allow?
No,
What could be the reason?
because there is no null in primary
Exactly.
master
Let's
table.
say 1 second. There is no null, but ideally, I think foreign key accepts null values also without any references. This was the exception. Ideally, it
Oh.
should not be, but the exception is foreign key allow null values unless it is specifically called as not null. Okay, unless it is specifically called as not null, it allows null values. It allows null values if it is defined as a foreign key. See, if it is allowed null value, it allows without any reference also to the primary key. This is an exception. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Now, duplicates can be allowed, nulls can be allowed, right? On a foreign key, even a primary key, or I mean, your unique key can be created on a primary key, or it can be created one more unique key also. Let's try to create it on a unique key, not on a primary key. Now this was created on a primary key, right? Now let's see. We will create foreign key S name on a unique key of std1. But before that, let's see whether S name contains the unique values or not. Okay, from src underscore stud1. I think it contains unique values. Then I'll go ahead and create a unique key on the S name of this particular stud1. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Because the data is aligned. Any doubts in it? Alter table, table name. What am I doing to do or going to do? I'm trying to demonstrate you. Yeah, that a foreign key can be created even on a unique key also. Okay.
Yeah.
These are the trickiest questions and people would ask. That's the reason why I'm emphasizing this. Okay.
Okay.
Alter table, table name is RC stud1. Add constraint. Because this is the master table, right? SRC stud1 is the master table. I'm going to create a unique key on the master table. Alter table, table name, SRC stud1, add constraint. Constraint name is anything, UK1, unique of S name. Okay. There's no UK1. Oh, okay, there is already UK1. See, as I told, like, if there is at least one, even if it is not created on the same database also, because this is maintained globally, this what is that information underscore schema dot table constraints, it is going to give an error. Okay.
Okay.
And I'm just giving UQ. Right. Now if you refresh, stud1. One is a primary key and another is the unique key that we do have, right? On an S name. Clear?
Yeah.
Now, what am I going to do? I'm going to create a referential integrity on S name because stud can have multiple foreign keys also. There is no restriction as primary key. It should have only one primary key. Okay. Alter table, but the name should be different. FK1 foreign key of S name references yes name.
Yeah.
Okay. But before that, let's see the data in SRC stud, whether it consists of the same data as, same data that exists in the stud one or not. Okay. I don't think that it exists. Stud one is the primary table, right? There are extra records also. So I cannot alter it now because if you see, this is the master table. Jesse is there. Jenny, Thomas, Chris are outside of this particular table, right? Hence,
Yeah.
the data is not in line with the foreign key. It will throw an error.
Okay.
Okay. So now what I need to do, I'll have to just, refine the data that I need to ensure the data is as per.
Okay.
Okay. Nulls are allowed. So let me delete Thomas, Jenny, Chris.
Mhm.
Delete from SRC stud where S name
Yes,
in.
name.
You can delete the multiple values here.
Okay.
So
Thomas.
multiple records. Thomas.
First name is or in? Is it?
In and in.
In.
Only
Okay.
null వచ్చినప్పుడు is పెట్టాలి. Okay. Here
Okay.
the multiple values, multiple records gets deleted. In the sense like, equal to we are giving it as in multiple operators. So this will act as where S name equal to Thomas or S name equal to Jenny or S name equal to Chris anamata. Okay. This is acts as a condition. This is Chris. Now let me delete this. 3 rows affected, right? All the 3 deleted. Now let's see. Okay. This is your master data and this is your child data. Now, if I'm trying to add a foreign key, then if I execute this statement, it will execute because the data is aligned. The conflict occurred in the master data table, third one column SM. The conflict occurred in database. FK1 already unda. The conflict occurred in database master table. dpo.src stud1 column S name. Is this the unique key? Already foreign key undi. It is on as number. Now I'm trying to create a foreign key.
Stud 1 లో S
I
name దగ్గర చూపిస్తుంది కదా.
ఏంటండి?
ఇక్కడ stud 1 అని చూపిస్తుంది కదా కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్.
దీంట్లో ఏమని చూపిస్తుందంటే SRC the conflict occurred in database master table SRC stud1. SRC stud1 column name S name. Column name is S name. Stud1 లో I think, let me recheck if it allows multiple foreign keys at the table level. Okay. Or, okay. If that is the case, I can drop this constraint FK and I'll create it on S name, then we'll see. You're getting me?
Okay.
If multiple is not allowed, let us drop the constraint of foreign key on SRC stud and recreate it on S name. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Alter table, how to drop a constraint? SRC stud,
SRC stud,
drop
drop
constraint,
constraint,
name, that's
PK,
F.
yeah, FK.
Okay, now there are no constraints. Behaves in a similar way. Now there are no constraints, right? Now what
Yeah,
am I
yeah,
trying
yeah.
to do? I'm trying to create it on a S name. This particular statement.
No, still there.
Conflict occurred in database master table. dbo dot src underscore stud1. S name is unique, kada? They have created on S name. Okay, let me check and why is not allowing unique. This is stud1 unique thing. We can create it on unique also currently. Unique is a primary key and that's one by unique key.
In SRC stud, there is no PK.
SRC stud1. Okay. Now, sorry, primary key could have I think when there is a primary key and a unique key, the foreign key can be created only on one. Let me give, I don't remember like that. But let me just refresh it and see why this is behaving weirdly. Because I think I have created differently. Now there are no keys at all, right? It is only unique key on S
One
name,
unique key on S name. Yeah.
and that's it. Okay, nothing is there. Now, what am I trying to do? Alter table.
Yeah, that is the S name.
Yes. The conflict occurred. The SRC stud1 column S name. Because column S name allows null values. It is a unique value, but it allows null values.
So because in SRC stud we have one null value, right?
Null value. I don't think that we have STD in any null value.
No, stud1. Sorry, stud.
No. Okay. Hear me out. Here I got it. Here it is a not null value and here it is a null value. This is a not null column and here it is the null column actually. The data types also should match when you are actually doing, and even the lengths are also, okay? The primary one and all. Lengths is, it could be more. The primary one could be, I mean, master data can be more, but here. Okay, let me mark it as a S name is also like, you know, not null value in SRC stud1. Okay, then, or you can change that particular alter table name. SRC stud, alter column,
Alter
S name,
column S name,
not null.
not null.
Column name, data type color, and background 20, 30. It could be less than or equal to 20, but not more than the master one.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Not null. Okay.
No.
Now refresh and marker of 30 not null, S name. This is still down. Not null ichana nenu, my bad. Null ivalsindi.
Okay.
This is null.
Yeah.
And this is also null.
40 null. Okay.
Okay, now let me create. Same length.